Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello for Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Trello website at trello.com. On the homepage, look for the sign up or log in button. If you're new to Trello, click on the sign up button to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or with your Google account. After entering your details, follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Trello dashboard. Next, locate the Create a New Board option. Click on Create New Board to initiate your team board setup. Enter a name for your board in the provided text box. Select a background color or image for your board if desired. To invite team members, click on the Invite button located on the right side. Input your team members' email addresses to send them invitations. Once they accept, they'll have access to the board. Now, create lists by clicking on the Add a List option. Enter a title for each list that represents different stages of your project. To add tasks, click on Add a card under the appropriate list. Provide a detailed title and description for each task. You can assign members to tasks by clicking on the Members option inside the card. Set due dates to keep the team on track. Adding checklists and attachments to cards will help in organizing tasks further. To prioritize tasks, drag and drop cards to rearrange their position. Encourage your team to comment on cards for better communication. You can use labels to categorize tasks more effectively. Explore the Power UPS section to integrate added features, like calendars or time tracking. With your board set up, inform your team about how to use it effectively. Monitor progress as tasks are completed and move them to a designated done list. Regularly check in with the team to ensure everyone is aligned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.